guys, how are you doing everyone? Today it's ready this car, second part of PPF installation. Already finished full wrapping this car with PPF made in USA, and look the shining. Wow, amazing shining. I love it, this shining, man. The look, finishing work, even the hair I fix without remove handle. Finishing here, cutting here. See, it's nice golden cut in the center, and all parts is PPF. Looks so amazing, and even light also. The double shining before than original. You know, this gives really beautiful shining of body and protection also your car paint, body paint. This is for long life PPF. Okay guys, enjoy watching these second parts and comments what you think about this video.